Happy SellerMetrics users, this is Rick Wong, the founder of SellerMetrics here, and I'm going to take you through the negative keywords rule module. So very similar to search term rule module, you select the source campaign, and the source campaign is the one that you select on the automation settings, and whatever campaign that you select, you click on the negative rules plus sign, and it'll take you to the module with the source campaign on the row that you select. You could select either one campaign as a source campaign or multiple campaign as source campaign, and it basically would copy the same rule over to your different source campaign that you select. You would name your campaign rule, so negative rule 1, your destination campaign. So let's just say I want to add. Again, you can select one to many destination campaigns. So if you want to put it into like all your product groups destination campaign and its corresponding ad group, you can. And then number 5 is your threshold. So how many clicks with no sales will you tolerate before we trigger this rule? So I would say 8. This one right here is the automation toggle. If you click on this, enabling it, it would basically trigger the rule in the back end and adding the keywords automatically without any indication on the front end, other than if you go to the change history here. And then number 6, whether you want to trigger the keyword or the ASIN, which is product targeting as well. And then you can select whether you want to do exact or phrase match. This one right here, so I think 90% of the time you probably want to do exact. So you can create this rule. So I'm going to unselect this, so you can see it on the negative keyword screen. So create the rule, so you can see the rule successfully created. And if I were to click on this, it says 1, as in the 1 rule that I create. And then you can also go back into it and then change it. Or you could also go to the rule list and see that rule here and also change it over here. And you can see our search term has been created, and it should show up since my toggle is disabled, the automation toggle. It shows up on the screen right here for you to manually click it in to apply it into your destination campaign. So if you see these particular search term right here, seems to attribute 12 clicks with 0 orders and spend is $20. And I could, if I so choose, I can apply it and push this as a negative into these destination ad groups, right? And once they're pushed in, it will disappear off the screen. And you can also see the rule from here. Right. So it gives you the option to, have it really automated or streamlined for you to basically subjectively eyeball it and make the decision if you want to push the negative keyword in. So that's basically it for the negative keywords. And if you have any additional questions, right, about this function, you could reach out to me on the widget on the bottom right as well. Thanks.